Hey guys, it's Trushan, your host for this channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss 5 habits of effective English learning which could be beneficial for your IELTS preparation. Learning English or any language can be challenging but rewarding experience. To make progress, you need to put in a lot of dedication and effort, but you also need to develop the right habits. Here are the 5 habits that have helped my students to achieve their aims. So, let's get started. Firstly, plan your learning and set realistic goals. The decision to study English or return to the English language classroom after a long break can be quite overwhelming. Try to plan your studies with a weekly timetable and dedicate one day for self-study, including time to review your lessons. Planning your learning day by day or week by week can be rewarding and will make it easier to monitor your progress. This is especially true if you set the realistic goals. For example, you might aim to learn 5 linking expressions next week rather than mastering academic writing. That is extremely unrealistic. I would like to advise one wonderful app that I have used for studying is My Study Life. It helps with organizing your routine for study. You can even use it to plan other things in your day. Now, let's discuss about the second habit. The second habit is record new vocabulary in a way that's easy to review. When studying a language, it's essential to keep vocabulary notes from lessons. As language lessons are often based on particular theme such as shopping, music, or family, it's good idea to organize vocabulary by topic. Experiment with different ways of recording vocabulary, including word cards, mind maps, and tablets, and see what works best for you. You should also make a note of different forms, uses, and pronunciation of particular words. Make sure you have a good learner's dictionary. You can also use your mobile device to record vocabulary from your lessons. Number 3 is review your lessons and self-study notes regularly. To successfully learn new vocabulary and grammar, you need to review your lessons or self-study notes regularly. Go through the notes you took in a particular lesson and try memorizing some or all of the important language or grammar points. Remember, set yourself realistic goals. Then, writing on a blank piece of paper, see how much you can recall. Repeat the process until you have memorized all the things you set yourself at the beginning of the task. Habit number 4 is be active and take control of your own learning. When in class, try to participate as much as possible. Be determined to use the language and grammar your teacher has presented. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning process, so don't let that stop you. Be active rather than passive. Find out from your teacher about your strength and your weaknesses. Ask your classmates what they think of your pronunciation. Set up an English speaking club with other students so that you can practice speaking after the class. By being active and taking control of your own learning, you will soon start to see some awesome results. There are many language apps available to help you connect with speakers of English, but the best one by far, in my opinion, is HelloTalk. This app will help you use your language skill outside the classroom. The habit number 5 is find interesting things in English to watch, read, and listen to. It means surround yourself with English language. To succeed in your English learning, you need to read and listen to as much English language as possible. However, it's crucial to make sure the topics are the ones that interest you. Get into the habit of watching TV shows or movies, listening to the songs and radio shows, and reading books and magazines in English. The English language is truly global, and opportunity to read or listen to it are endless. YouTube is a free and seemingly infinite source of English language videos. A good place to start is the British Council YouTube channel. Remember, you can listen with the caption turned on. Personally, I love to watch Jamie Oliver's YouTube channel as it inspires me to try some new recipes. So guys, this is all about the 5 habits which will help you to flourish your English language skill. Now, what habits help you learn English effectively? Share your ideas in the comment section below so that I will try to implement those habits, and I will let my students to know about that habits so that it would be beneficial for them. Thanks a lot for bearing with me. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, then share it with those who want to flourish their English language skill. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.